Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Vision School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on short question answer which is belongs to chapter 12. So let us move for today's topic. The first short question from chapter 12 is students will be able to learn about global warming and the reason of it. What is global warming? What is the main reason of it? The answer is the gradual increase of Earth's temperature is called global warming. The main cause of global warming is greenhouse effect. Now come to next one. Give an example of climate change in Bangladesh. The answer is an example of climate change is that flood is occurring every year because of ice melting at the poles. Second one, increasing of Earth's temperature causes global warming. What are the effects of global warming on the environment? Answer is the effect of global warming on the environment are tornadoes, cyclones, flood, drought, etc. natural hazards. Come to next one. What are the factors that measures weather change in a particular region? The answer is to measure the weather change of a particular region, the following issues are observed. First one, temperature. Second one, amount of rainfall. Third one, frequency of Kalbushik and tornado. Question number 5 is what are the effect of global warming on nature? Write down one activity to prevent climate change. The answer is tornado, cyclone, sea level rise, drought, flood, glacial retreats on Himalayan mountain range and in polar region and the effects of global warming on nature. Then one activity to prevent climate change is to plant more trees. And question number 6 is greenhouse made in cold countries. What does greenhouse means? The answer is a greenhouse is a house made up of glass. It traps the sun's heat and helps keeps plant warm and alive in extreme cold weather. Question number 7 is what do you understand by climate? The answer is climate is the average weather pattern for a long period of time. Question number 8 is what are the greenhouse gases? Why are greenhouse made in cold countries? The answer is greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide. Greenhouses are built in cold countries to keep plants warm and alive in extreme cold weather. Now count to question number 9. Give 2 examples where fossil fuels are used. The answer is fossil fuels such as coal, oil, natural gas, etc. are used in the following places: then energy plants and factories. Now come to last one for today, that is what is called climate change. The answer is a significant and persistent change in the climate and its variability is called climate change. Dear students, this is your homework number 15. You have to write short question answer 1, 2 and 3 as your homework and you have to submit on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Learn all the question answer and do your SW, submit it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.